Yeah, I sent the PPT and piston and connecting rod point load data.
Okay, piston and connecting rod. But piston, connecting rod, and one more example we have,
Yeah,
na?
actually that piston and connecting rod I already uploaded, so I send it now. So the remaining things I will upload it and I will send it to you.
Okay, okay, and so the next month I have a training, man. So if any doubt came, na, then I will call you here.
Yeah, if you have any doubt, just tell me on day prior. So if I
Okay.
need to get any clarification, I too will refer it
Yeah,
back.
sure, sure, man, sure. This is blade, na?
Yeah. So that connecting rod which I have created, I created on July month. So
Okay.
up to that I have a license CATIA.
Okay.
It's not opening in the crack version. So I will once again I will start to rework it. And
Okay.
once I finish it, I will send the CATIA file also.
Okay, okay.
So before that, if you finish any of the parts, you just send me the CATIA file. So that I
Okay.
can use it for the trainings.
Okay. So first we are doing the 3D mesh.
Yeah. So here we don't have any problem on our point cloud data, so we can directly go for 3D mesh.
Okay.
Suppose if we have, if we can't retain our shape like that car door,
Okay.
so at that time we have to go for filter, then we have to go for meshing.
Okay, okay.
You see, if I go for planar section,
Okay.
I create the sections. Do you see that discontinuity over here? So with this, if any points arrive like this, so at that place we will have our curve discontinuity.
Okay.
For example, it will be like this. So
Yeah. There, it means it's not a complete curve.
it's
The
not
sketch is open.
yeah, it may not be open. So
Okay.
sometimes it will be open. Otherwise, it will be joined by three different curves or two different curves likewise. So
Okay.
after this, we have to go for join command.
Okay.
So instead of that, so either for recreating this, we can go for mesh smoothing, or otherwise we can use this flip edge option. Before that, whenever even it is a good curves, quality point load data, just check with mesh cleaner, and also check with that fill holes, because maybe chances for having a some small
Opening or
holes.
holes, yeah.
And also in this particular mesh smoothing, no,
Yeah.
before giving first apply, we have to, if we need to give the maximum deviation value. So before giving first apply, we have to mention that value. So once we give apply, after that we can't change that value.
Maximum deviation.
Yeah. You see that it will, the edges are getting adjusted. We see that there are some small changes in the edges
Yes.
as we smooth it. So the reason is it will, so when we go for single effect smoothing, so it will delete the smaller radii. Otherwise we can also find out the smaller radii in mesh cleaner,
Okay.
and also we can correct it from there. So in mesh cleaner we have small angles, no?
Yeah.
So here also we can select it and we can correct it from here.
But on surface also some means irregularity is there. So is
Sure.
it some in surface? Zoom it. So this type of irregularity, is it possible to remove, or we need to create a surface over there?
Where I can't exactly.
Zoom it down. Go then up. There see that some
Initially it may be there, but after the smoothing, no,
yeah.
and it may gone. So that small things are not a problem. So there we are not going to trace any curves. No. So if but in the case of that car door,
Yeah.
if we need to trace curve, so that small errors will disturb us while tracing the curve.
Okay.
At that time we can define that. Otherwise, if you are going to cover it with the surface, then it's not going to be a problem for us.
Okay, dear. Okay.
We will try to put it
Only on two locations points are coming.
here it is corrected, but here the location change.
Yeah. We can fix that. Means that in between now. So that fixed and tangent is coming on the left side, and in that bottom fix is coming on the right side. The direction we can switch na.
We have to the direction is not switching.
From the dialog box.
Here we don't have any controls for switching the direction.
Okay.
We have to control it from here. Due to this, here we have some errors, moving errors. Can go for further smoothing. So this is the quality of the point load data. So it's the same thing when we are doing in car door. So after some clicks it will change the shape. But if you see here the shape is retained up to last.
Okay.
That will be the scan output is good. So we'll get some our work will be reduced. It will not give us much tension. It's as a single thing, no problem.
That we can correct it, na?
Yeah, either we can go for join command.
Okay.
In the join command we can use. Otherwise, it's only single curve, no? So
Yeah.
by leaving this section, we can use further sections for creating our surface.
Okay.
We are not going to make a huge change. Either you can go for fixed surface reconstruction or you can go for generative shape design. From here I will go with multi-section surface. Can you tell me how we can reduce these things?
By
This,
that warning, na? By
Ah.
giving that smooth parameters.
Oh, here.
Yeah.
By correcting the
These
angular
things.
curvature and deviation.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's very difficult to find out that exact value here.
Yeah. So actually, when Venkat sir taking the class for me initially when I joined, so he told don't make mark changes in this particular
Yeah,
place.
that's why we are leaving it.
Hmm. So with the same planar section option, I can go with one and one. Just move this and trace the bottom portion.
Okay.
In this same manner, I will trace with this select the element, change my angle. Reduce my tolerance value. So this is for here I have created as a discontinuous curve to get my exact bottom.
Okay.
This otherwise you can use that particular basic surface recognition. In this you can select a cloud and just activate the bottom portion. So go to that view and activate the bottom portion. Either with a rectangular trap, but this will give us some more work. after this just reduce it. So up to where you are placing it, it will create that portion alone will be created.
Okay.
Otherwise you can directly go with plain option. So by controlling value we can move this plane.
Okay.
Otherwise while checking itself we have to move the plane. Likewise, we can trace the bottom portion and then we can trim it with the surface. So after creating the box, this is a rectangle. We can extrude this rectangle and we can trim this surface and the rectangular surface.
Okay.
So that we will get a closed bottom.
Okay.
Either we can go in this way, otherwise so I will extrude this particular portion. So if you need to know the exact height, so this particular place, so when creating the curve, no, so like created a point over here, we can place a point in this particular plane, so that after that we can measure this particular distance, and we can give the particular distance in the limit value.
Okay.
So far I will, so now I will give just an approximate value. So So the reason is it will have different heights over in this area and this area. So I will have the highest point. So I will have the highest point over here. So after this, now I will extrude this curve.
Connected curve, not only single curve selected.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah, single curve only for getting the bottom.
Okay. We cannot use fill command, na? We can simply fill it, na?
Yeah, we can simply fill it, but we need to, here I have extended, no? So this, I can't, here I don't have any surface or a plane, anything.
Okay.
So I can't place it up to the limit. I can't give in this area, I can't give up to limit.
Okay.
So either I need a surface or a plane. So otherwise what shall we do? We can create a point in this surface, and we can create a plane, and we can give it as a up to limit in the extruder surface, this extruder surface.
Okay.
So after that we can go for fill. Otherwise we can extrude this and we can go for fill. No, it is not exactly on the bottom. So if you need exact straight line, you can reduce that order value to 2 so that it will create an exact straight line. Okay. So instead of getting a curved line, it will create an exact straight line. So with that we can get that exact bottom.
Okay.
So after this, still it is not cutting the surface thoroughly. So I will go for extrapolate and I will extrapolate the edges. Now I will go for trim and I will trim this portion.
Correct.
So now I will extrapolate this one up to, before that I will fill this area. I will fill the top portion. Now I will extrapolate this particular surface. So after this I will trim this surface with this surface. Now I got the bottom.
Okay.
And also I need to get that top portion. So here also I have a portion. So once again I will, before extrapolating I might create a,
Is there is any command na extract surface? It will not work on that
from mesh.
on mesh.
From where to extract surface?
Means suppose if we have any surface na extract surface from solid one.
Yeah, we can do that. I think we have the same extract option, no, over here.
No,
And generative shape design.
that is not. I think it's in NX only. That option is there, but not in CATIA. I think.
From extracting surface from solid, no.
Yeah, it's there in NX. In
Yeah,
I think in
with
NX only is there.
this extract option itself.
Yeah, they na. From this we cannot extract.
From this we can't extract. You are telling that we can't extract surface from a solid.
Yeah. No, we can extract surface from solid. Is it possible to extract surface from that mesh? From
No,
this
it's
command?
not possible. We can't extract that surface from mesh.
Okay.
So if it is so, we can't. We no need to go for this much. We not no need to struggle
Yeah.
this much. And I will extrapolate this. Here we have this one. Yes. The top portion. After this, we can convert it into solid. Then we can go for a fillet.
Okay.
So now we can go for a fillet. So why this point is not creating? Actually, it should create the point now. Close the edge. Use only 3D point. Deselect the D point. So why it's not okay? So this is the reason. Some of the arrows are in outside.
Directions.
It's showing in same direction only. Anyway, it's adding thickness outside only.
Yes. Maybe Thickness value is higher. Uncheck that constant thickness button.
Property generation or space so if we create by closed surface, we can't create a variable fillets.
Yes. No, it's showing कि we cannot select a closed loop. If you want to create a variable radius fillet, na, so it will be a open profile. Means open edge. It's not previously that profile is
It should not be
connected.
like this.
Yes, a full profiles. Like that. We are selecting it full now. So we have to limit it. Or
Here we can't change anything now.
we can generate curves now.
This portion.
Yeah.
Okay, after generating,
We have to generate. Means why why we are using that variable radius in that profile? The radius is variable.
yeah. Actually, if you see, here, so here we will have.
They trimmed it.
There.
So I think radius is constant, but I think they trimmed that fillet here, limiting the fillet. Means saving the surface.
So this side is coming. It's not a problem.
Okay.
This edge, no, still we need some particular place. For example, if you see here, it can see. So this radius, no.
Yeah.
So this side we got. This profile is not a problem.
Okay, you just hide it again.
Yeah, this mesh.
Yeah, mesh. Okay, you want to
Almost we got, but so this side profile, if we give the pillar itself, we got the side profile. Do you see that?
yeah.
Side profile we got. So this place alone we need some more radius. So here I need
Maybe
some
radius value is higher, then only double click.
Reduce the radius value.
No, give 6 or 7. And just change that here. We can from that views go bottom, view toolbar. Yeah, that view toolbar. Change the shading, not this shading. Smooth shading.
This one, huh?
Smooth, yeah. Without edges. No, not that is not smooth only. Without edges, now one shading is there. Go up. No, go up. Top one.
This one, no?
Top. Yeah. Okay, now you deselect it.
Okay, it's enough. It's fine.
Yeah, almost we got it, but small. Yeah.
But due to that surface creation.
Yes. Yeah, I mean the top. How you did that here? I forget. Ki, how you trimmed it, na? It's.
No, I didn't trim it. So I just place it approximately over here. So if we can
You create a 3 point plane.
3 point plane, but you see the plane is not in flat manner.
Yeah.
So I should create the plane flat. It will create a flat plane, flat surface. We can give up to limit while extrapolating. You can give the plane as up to limit.
Okay.
So with this plane, it has created this area. It has okay, but here no, it has reduced the surface.
Yeah.
Due to the
Then
angle. So I just extruded up to this. Approximately, I have extruded. That's all.
Okay.
So approximately only I have fixed this area. So if you see here, so this is our actual area.
Okay.
A little bit. After this, I can go deviation of it. So approx will be our machinery. So this is the deviation where that place. So this is the place where we have a deviation from over.
नाम पूछ लियो. Okay. So these red colors showing.
So this is the place where it's the surface is deviating more from the mesh. So
Okay.
that profile, no, we have
Yeah.
over here. Still we need to. It has to lower.
Yeah.
You see this area. So this area has to lower like this. But we have still we need to refine it. So here it has the straight. So that is because of the surface height.
Yeah.
So that extruder surface I created, no.
Yeah.
And it reduce the height or to do any changes in the height.
Okay.
So what shall we do is, I have this center curve, no?
Yeah.
So in tracing this with the, for example, if I'm tracing this micro. After creating the point over here, we place a point over here. So if I create a discontinuous curve in this point,
Okay.
so from here to here, so after that I can measure the distance, so that particular height.
Okay.
Will extruding this, creating this particular extrude surface. This extrude. So I can mention that height in my one of the limit,
Yeah.
so that I want this much deviation. So my surface height will be reduced. So my deviation in that deviation analysis will be also reduced.
Okay.
So with this, because of this height only, it's showing that much deviation more than.
Okay. Okay.
We can reduce the height. If I reduce this height, it should alter the changes, no? Update the changes, no?
You updated it, na? From bottom.
Bottom, it's not showing the update symbol.
Go to tool. Go to insert tools. I think view. It's automatic updates on.
Which where?
No, it's automatic updating only, because you see that inside of the rendering, the camera symbol is there. Right side update button is there.
Yeah.
Now it's automatically updating here. No need to update.
So that height is the problem.
Previously
We can adjust the height, we can-
it came. It's when you blow it down it na, then the red color lines went na down. See, only yellow lines are there.
So that height is
Now it's correct only, na?
yeah, now it's almost correct. Yeah.
Means green indicates ki everything is fine. Yellow indicates
Yeah. So yellow indicates the deviation. So this will be the deviation value. That's
green
one.
means zero deviations.
Yeah.
Okay.
So still we need to reduce this deviation.
Okay.
So with that, if we can measure the exact height, or we can place 2 points on the height,
Okay.
and we can measure the height with the measurement tool.
Okay.
So after that, we can specify that height.
Okay.
Then still we can reduce this deviation.
Okay.
This will be the also we can. Did you talk to Summa?
Regarding that file,
Yeah.
and I can talk, man. Now I will talk after in lunch
I think
break.
he is in training. You may talk during afternoon hours.
Okay, no problem, man.